Hello, my name is Roberto. I am currently developing STRACOM, a mining-based startup, specifically in the metal extraction area. So the core smelting process hasn't changed in the past 50 years. The process that we use today is the same that was used in the 20th century. And this brings a couple of problems. One of them, the slow process. Some batches take up to 24 hours to be processed. Another point, the high cost. Plants often require 20 million to 100 million in upfront capex, which is a lot of money. Third point, the low accessibility. You need really good engineering, a legal team to deal with different regulations that varies between countries, and also a really big financial. And lastly, the high pollution. Deal with the high pollution of a factory of this magnitude is really complicated and brings a lot of problems. That's why we came up with a STRACOM solution. We developed a proprietary chemical. The main advantages are that we extract metals in less than 1 hour. Also, the simplicity of this, a single reactor process that replaces multi-step melting. The conventional process requires up to 3 different furnaces and 3 different reactors to work. And finally, the scalability. This can be applicable to different metals. In a simple way, this is how it works. You have our chemical agent, you have the minor concentrate, you put both of them into a reaction furnace and you will get 3 things: the gas purification, the slag, and the metals. The gas purification gives us the clean gases. The slag, with a pretreatment, can get us our chemical agent regeneration, that in the end gives us our chemical agent. And finally, the competitive advantages are speed, a clean process, simplicity, regenerable chemistry, and scalability. We have a technical validation with over 1 year of research and development and more than $100,000 invested. In this year of research and development, we are not counting the other 5 years in which this process was investigated. And our largest pilot test successfully processed 0.5 ton of minor concentrate, which represents 50% of the throughput planned for our initial commercial stage. We make money through metal sales, through smelting as a service, and technology licensing. In the first year, our projected profit is going to be $46.5 million. Sell the refined metals directly to the market, and a full setup is expected in 3 months post receiving the money. And we are the right team to make this happen. This is why we are a 4-person team with Luis, which is our chemical engineer with 15 years of experience in the mining industry, Miguel, which is a metallurgical engineering with 13 years of experience in the mining industry, Gustavo with 17 years of experience in the mining industry, and me, Roberto, a former startup CEO with 5+ years of experience leading businesses and currently working at a mining company. We also have really great advisors, with is Jose Romaña, which is Volcan Mining Director, one of the biggest mining companies in Peru. We are eager to know if we could access this accelerator so we can start revolutionizing the mining smelting industry. Thank you. So I wanted to add some additional information, like the letter of intent that we have for the metal antimony, also the lab results that we've got from the different times that we've made this process, detailed results and information of those lab tests, and finally a profitability overview and the economics of this project. Thank you again.